welcome back to my channel. So this is me again, and this is going to be another travel video. And in this video I will show you how New Mexico looks like. So we are going to some parts of the state of New Mexico, and if you guys are interested to see what the state has to offer, then feel free to watch this video. Hey guys, so right now we are here in North Camino del Pueblo, New Mexico. So we are in the state of New Mexico right now. We came from Albuquerque. Hey guys, welcome. So right now we are here Colorado, in New Mexico. In this video, this is one of the states here in the United States. Places that we are going to pass by. So right now it is raining. New Mexico. This is South Camino. So by the way, this is the Canada-America Highway. So if you cross the border from Canada, so this is one of the highways that connect America and Canada. So look at that outside. As you can see, the ice are starting to build up. And don't worry, we are just driving slowly. We are trying to be very careful because we are not a snowbird kind of people, or we're not into snow. So look at that ice, you guys. It's starting to build up on our windshield. We have to turn our heater on inside, that way the ice will melt and it won't keep building up. So by the way, this is Santo Domingo, New Mexico. This is part of Santo Domingo. We're still in the highway, as you can see. We're having a stop over here. I don't know what's going on. Probably somebody tipped over, I'm not sure, but hopefully we can get through this because we have a very limited time. We have a limited time of driving and we need to get to the place where we need to go. I put the video in a time-lapse mode, that way it won't be super long. As you can see over here, it looks like it's watery, but those are melted snows or melted ice. It melts straight from our windshield. And yes, it is hot inside our truck right now because we have to keep the heater on. Just have to do what you need to do. Welcome to the trucker world, everybody. It's fun, scary, stressful at the same time. Especially when you have to go through this kind of phase of the year. Winter, snowstorm. Being in the snow is never safe in my own ideas, in my own opinion. You just have to be very, very extra careful. As you can see, the other vehicles, they're driving past. They're driving fast because probably they're used to this, they're used to this route already, but we are not. We're still babies when it comes to this kind of stuff. We don't usually go in a snowy place before, but now we're here. So this is Santa Fe, New Mexico. We can't really see much because it is snowing outside. We are having a snowstorm right now, but it's not that bad, as you can see. Thank goodness. But it's all white, so hopefully one day during summertime we can come back here and see how it looks like, when it's not snowing. Don't worry guys, we are not speeding, okay? Like I said earlier, I just put this video in a time-lapse mode. That way we can cover more places in a short amount of time, and we get to see, you know, how the state looks like. So this is good for our memories, you know. This is still Santa Fe, New Mexico. It's good because there's no traffic over here. By the way, we're in the middle of like mountains, so this part of New Mexico is surrounded by mountains. If you can see it, I know it's not that obvious because it is covered by snow, but it is surrounded by mountains and it has a very high elevation. I'm not sure what the exact elevation over here, but it's high. We have to stop for a while, and now we're back on track. Look at that. So we are in Nambi, New Mexico. Actually guys, New Mexico is such a beautiful state. Look at that. If I'm not mistaken, I think that is a casino. In the middle of nowhere, I would say. But that is owned by the Native Americans. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is located in Nambi, New Mexico. And that's the view. So if you visit their casino, this will be the kind of view that you are going to see. I'm not sure if they are open or closed right now, but who knows, you know, you guys can check it out. So right now we are in US Highway 84 frontage, Santa Fe, New Mexico. So the building that you saw over there or seeing over there is another casino. Yes, they have plenty of casinos over here, and I think they are also owned by Native Americans. Yes, look at that. It looks like there's nobody there. I'm not sure, but there's few vehicles out there, so I guess they're open. So this is Puanini, Santa Fe, New Mexico. It's pretty nice over here. The weather is starting to clear up. The weather is not that bad anymore, so you know, we can drive a little faster now. But of course, you still have to obey the speed limit that, you know, the state provides or limit. So this is how the highway looks like over here. It's nice. I love the view. It's beautiful for me. So we are going to the mountain, I think, if I'm not mistaken. We are going through all these small towns here in New Mexico. I think this is Espasola, New Mexico. You guys can read that sign over there, Española or Espasola. So we are going through this highway. There's a lot of like turning around, you know, zigzagging. But there's pretty much a lot of people that lives here in this area. It seems like they have everything over here. You can't really see a lot of big buildings, but they have everything, you know. Look at that. Look how pretty. So there's a lot of people over here. Actually, this part of New Mexico is not that far from Colorado because New Mexico borders Colorado. one of the states that they border is Colorado. So look at this one right here. We are going up and down the hill. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's so pretty. I think it's beautiful to drive over here during summertime when it's not snowing, because you get to see the colors, the beauty of, the surroundings, the mountains. I think it's just amazing, and it is safe for you to drive if it is not snowing, especially when places like this, which is up here in the mountain area. So I think this is the best place to visit during summer days or summertime. And it's far away from big cities, crowded areas. But of course, if you are going to travel to this kind of areas, you have to make sure that you have everything you needed, like food, water, just in case of emergency. It's always nice to be ready. I'm enjoying it. I love the view that we are facing right now. You can really you will learn how to appreciate the beauty of the nature, the landscapes, and stuff like that. And if you are like me, who are in love with mountains, natures, beautiful sceneries, this is the best place for you to visit, guys. So we are passing through another small town again, still part of New Mexico. So they don't really have any truck parkings over here or truck stops. So couldn't find a parking, but hopefully once we get to Colorado, there is a parking. We can find a parking space, or there is a place for us where we can park the truck, because you cannot really park the truck anywhere you want. Big trucks don't have that kind of privilege. So right now we are here in Medinales, New Mexico, or Medinales, however you pronounce it. Correct me if I'm wrong. It is snowing here again, as you can see, and the visibility is kind of low. So you have to be very careful driving. Just drive slowly. And if you can see it, the road is kind of up and down, because it's just how it is, up and down the hill. But it's a good experience though. This is one of the old highways that United States has, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not familiar with, the places that we are passing by or going through yet. But I'm loving the life. I'm loving the trucker world, trucker life, because you get to see beautiful places just like this one. So the road is kind of bumpy over here. It's obvious, as you can see. Look at the road. I think they need to fix it, but it's not that bad, And there's not much of vehicles that's using this highway. So there's a few houses over here too, one of the small towns as well. There's houses over here. It's not that obvious, but you know, there's a lot of people that lives in this part of New Mexico. Look at that. Can you see that mountain right there? That's beautiful. That's what they called San Antonio Mountain. So this is along US Highway 285 of New Mexico if you are on your way to Colorado. And this is one of the best sceneries that New Mexico has to offer. And a lot of people come here just to see that mountain that we are facing right now. That is it for today, guys. That's the end of our video. I just, you know, added the few clips that I was able to capture during our travel to the state of New Mexico, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. And I'm so glad that I was able to share my travels to you. So subscribe for more travels if you guys are interested to see more. And if you guys are interested to see more of New Mexico, my travels in the state of New Mexico, I will put the link in my description box below, and you can see more of, you know, New Mexico, so not just this video. But anyway, I will end my vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment if you want. God bless you all, and bye.